Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 1st, 2022. We have here one regular Sudoku and it's medium Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional, I believe there are 9 extra puzzles. There are 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. 5 of them, 5 out of 9 I will solve. Include this one, total of 6. And the news of today, yes, it's been a week ago. The war has been started in Ukraine. So a week war in Ukraine. All right. But let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 4192, I believe. Yes, 4192. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column? So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in the third column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square. So no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. So the other pair in the third column are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And we have a pair. 7 and a 9 in the last row. 7 and a 9 in the row above. So in that row, the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. Alright. Then. How about let me think. Yeah. Okay. 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers of 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in that row above, so in that row, in that box, no 4 in this box here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have a pair, 4 and 8 in this row, 4 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 and 3. 3 and 2 missing numbers. In this row, for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3. Well. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For the numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. Two missing numbers in the third row. Four numbers. One is missing. Two and a three is missing. One and a three. One and a three. We have a three there. No three there. Three should be here. And the one goes there. Three in the last column. Three in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the three should be here or there. We see there three. No three there. Three should be there. And all the threes are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Then. How about 8 in the last column? 8 in that column. So the column between the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Okay. Alright. Then. How about 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Well, not correct. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, I think it's 1 star instead of a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those more than 4 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. Well, we have here the 2, 1, 4, the 2, 1, 4, the 1, 3, 9, the 1, 3, 9, and the 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6. Here we have 1 pair. The 1. Yes. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I will see you later with the other 5 extra puzzles in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.